set. Yata. Ayan guys, i-unbox natin yan. Ayan na guys. Isa. May anak ko. Ito munang malaki. Excited ako. Ayan na. Ay, laki guys. Ano? Diba niya? Ang laki niya. Diba? Let's go. Ang laki niya. Nasa sa pinto. Let's go. Unboxing. Excited na makita siya sa personal. Diba? Guys, isa ka. Kaya. Sabi, ang bilis nung dumating. Lahat makikinuti. Kasama ko yung kape. Walang kape, kaya. Ayan na, guys! Tinan nyo! Eto na, dan-daradan! Yay! Oh! Diba? Ang laki-laki niya! Oh! Ayan na! Ang aking 100. Ayan, intelligent AI. 1,000%. Series Flash. Ayan. Balik tayo. Ikutin natin. Para makita nyo. Ayan siya. Pagkain natin itong kahon. Pagkain natin itong kahon. Para mas maganda. No? Ito siya. Oh! Ayan. Maraming laki. Okay. Ayan na siya guys. Oh. Diba? Ang laki. Yan. AI 1000. Makikita ko na sa inyo. Laki niya, oh. Diba? Saan? Oh, Chacha! Tingnan mo, oh. Oh, kamukha mo siya. Kamukha ni Chacha to. Diba, Chacha? Kamukha mo siya. Kata mo lang. Tapos, ito ang series niya. Yan. Si Rice Sugar Bear. Yung brown. Tapos, ito si Naughty Elephant. Yung blue. Tapos, itong pink, si Cute Heart Rabbit. Tapos, ito si Little Milk Cat. Tapos, ito yung Little Flower Rabbit. Ito yung secret. Yan. Yan, apat na yan. Sino sa palagay nyo ang lalabas? Yan. Tingnan natin kung sino. instruction. Ito ang instruction. Oh, meron pang ano, present for me. Diba? Bigay nila. Siya. Yan. Tapos, eto na siya. Welcome! Oh, diba? Oh, welcome! Yan, kunin natin. Eto na! Eto na siya! Oh, ang cute, diba? Tapos, eto na. Oh. Yes. Gumagana siya. Di pa natin na. Wala pa siyang battery. Dito pala yung pinipindot. Dito daw. May battery ka ba? Wala. Kailangan niya i-charge. Tapos, yan mo daw siya sa kilitbay. Yan ang kanyang likod. Tapos dito yata yung battery. Oh, diba? Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan, guys. Present for me. Ang ganda-ganda naman niya. Flower. Ayan na, guys. Basahin na natin yung instruction. Launch the product. Nasa ano ba? Sa likod. Ayan, oh, nakaon na. Oh, di ba? Ang cute! Ang cute niya! Diba? Very cute. Tapos, reset the network. Unaffected na daw. Press and hold. Reset for more than 5 seconds. The product will make a beeping sound. Nag-beep na siya kanina, di ba? Indicating that it has entered the description network state. Nag-ano na siya kanina. I-reset. Ayan, magda-download tayo ng app. Ayan na. Oh, download muna tayo. Hello.
Hi there. How are you today?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm glad to hear that. I'm here to chat and help with anything you need. What would you like to talk about?
I want to know if you know Sakurajo.
Could you clarify what you mean by adult? Are you looking for information on a specific topic related to adults?
No, it is Sakurajo.
I'm here to provide helpful and safe information. If you have any specific questions or topics you'd like to discuss, please let me know.
Oh no, she doesn't know my name.
Hi there. How are you today?
Okay guys, that's the AI 1000%.
It seems like it's quite late for you.
Okay.
Are you still awake?
Yes, I am. Oh.
Haha. If you're feeling tired, it might be a good idea to relax. Would you like to chat or listen to some music to help unwind?
Okay.
If there's anything specific you need help with or want to discuss, just let me know.
Okay. Say goodbye to them and good night.
Good night, Dad. As you lay down to rest,
Okay. See
may your
you.
dreams be bright and your sleep be deep. Sweet dreams await you, and tomorrow brings a new day. Sleep well.
Bye-bye. Okay. I think she is sleeping now. Okay, guys. That's all for today. And this is my AI 1000%. I hope you like it because I like it very much.
I
See you.
appreciate your kindness. I'm here to support you and share good moments together.
Thank
If there's
you.
something specific you like, let me know.
Thank you. Bye-bye.